Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to claim your YouTube award if you reach a creator milestone. So whether you're reaching the 100,000 subscriber play button, million subscriber, or maybe even the 10 million subscriber play button eventually, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about actually going through the process of applying for and retrieving the play button. So I want to point out that there is a redemption code that you will need to provide in here. And I will have the link in the description of the video here, guys, to this webpage, by the way. But if you don't have the redemption code on your YouTube Studio page, you will need to engage with YouTube chat or YouTube support. So if you launch a chat session in your channel page, you should be able to go ahead and actually initiate that process if for some reason you haven't received your redemption code yet. Please keep in mind as well that if you just pass the milestone, it can take several days, up to a week or two in some cases that I've observed, to actually receive the notification to go ahead and actually apply for your award. So just keep that in mind, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So this is the link that you would go to, that if you clicked on it in the YouTube Studio, or maybe if you accidentally closed out of it, you can access the awards through this web page. Again, this is going through YouTube Studio, and this link would be on societyawards.com, and it's a YouTube Creator Award page here. So I already have my code. I'm going to just go ahead and paste it into the redemption code field here. I will blur this out. I don't need anyone redeeming my play button. So we're going to go ahead and select Redeem Award and give it a moment here. So at this point, you're going to have to go ahead and enter in your channel name. So from my experience, I think you can do slight variations of your channel name. It just has to be appropriate. It can't be some unusual or inappropriate name for your play button here. And it'll give you a little preview of what it would look like down here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just insert my channel name for the award button here. So this is actually on my secondary channel, MD Tech Videos International. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually paste it in here, and you should see a little preview show up in this box. And then once that is done, you want to go ahead and just scroll down here and select the Approve and Check Out button. Please note that you will need to review your selection carefully. Once you place your order, it will not be possible to alter. This is a custom product and not eligible for cancellation or return. Please ensure that you provide your channel name and not your channel URL. Profanity is not permitted. An automatic profanity filter as well as manual review are in place. Go ahead and select the Approve and Check Out button at this point. And again, it's going to give you a little confirmation here to make sure you have reviewed your personalization settings. Go ahead and select Approve. And now you're going to have to go ahead and enter in your email address as well as shipping address. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually type that in here. Not sure if the email address has to be the one that you are using on your YouTube account. I don't believe it is, but it's probably better just to avert potential issues with delays in getting your play button processed and sent out to you. Probably want to use your YouTube email address here. So again, just make sure that that is correct. And then you will have to enter in your name, company name, street address, and so forth. I will have this blurred out here for obvious reasons, but I will have it up on the screen so you guys can just see what the process is like here of actually going through this. So it's going to take a moment here. No, the thing about it too is I like to make sure when I fill out these forms that everything is correct. So this is kind of a one and done sort of deal here. So I'm also kind of doing this for myself. So it's not just a demonstration. I'm actually like doing a live demonstration here of me actually filling this out. And I just like to make sure everything is correct. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the next button. And again, you have to approve the order. Go ahead and select that. And it might give you a suggested address here. I will not blur out the order summary on the right side here. I will blur out the ship to information, but you can see it should all be free. I believe you can actually reorder a play button if it got lost or you wanted a duplicate play button. However, the only issue with that is that I don't believe it's free anymore, but I think you can actually order more play buttons down the road. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and just make sure payment method is selected. It should be the same as the shipping address, even though you don't have to enter in any payment information. And then once that is done, we're going to go ahead and select the place order button. And should say thank you for your order. There's going to be an order number here, and we have emailed you an order confirmation with your order details. If you do not receive your order confirmation email within 5 minutes, please check your email spam folder. Your order will ship within the next 2 weeks. Once your order ships, you'll receive a shipment confirmation with your tracking information. So again, hopefully within the next few minutes, you should receive an email from Google or from whatever third-party provider this is coming from here. Actually, I'm checking off screen that it does appear to come into my spam folder. So definitely go ahead and check your spam folder. Mark it as not spam. It's going to have some important information on there. It gives you your order number, your shipping information, the channel name, and so forth. So again, I would immediately go and check your spam folder. Make sure if it is in there, you want to just send it to your regular inbox. You want to hold on to that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.